Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the most important grammar chapter, the adjective and kinds of adjectives. So, dear children, first of all, you should know what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Meaning, an adjective adds something to the meaning of the noun. Just like the example, Ashok is an intelligent boy. Intelligent word is adding something to Ashok. Ashok is our noun in this sentence. She is poor but happy. So these are adjectives. Now you should know what are the kinds of adjectives. Read the following examples. Just look at it. Babur was a brave king. Babur is subject here. Brave is adding in him. It was a cloudy day. It is subject here and cloudy is adding in it. So it's adjective. Joshi is an honest man. Calcutta is a big city. The rose is a beautiful flower. You have seen brave, cloudy, honest, big, beautiful. These all are telling what kind of a person or a thing is. Such adjectives are called adjectives of quality. I repeat, our first adjective, what type of adjective is? Adjectives of quality, which tells what kind of a person or a thing is. Next quality of adjective calls adjectives of quantity. Just look at the examples. He had much money. There is a little food in the house. He wants some money. He did not eat any bread. So much, little, some, any, enough, sufficient, whose. These all are telling that what is the amount, how much of a thing is intended. Such adjectives are called adjective of quantity. So two types of adjectives we have done till here. Number one, adjectives of quality, which tells what type of a thing is. Another one is adjective of quantity, which tells what is the how much is the quantity of a thing. Now we will talk about adjectives of number. See the example, all men are mortal. Many women were not there. Several men came to see the lion. He had 5 rupees in his pocket. Some men are rich. The first boy won the prize. Most men have to work hard for their living. So in these given examples, all, many, several, 5, some, first, most, these all are telling about how many persons or things are there. So this is called adjectives of number. And then the next quality comes, or the next type of adjective tells how many. Adjectives of number answers the questions how many or in what order. Now look at the following sentences. Each woman carried a basket. Every word of it is true. Either pen will do. Neither boy is likely to pass. The adjectives each, every, either, neither, which shows that the persons or things are taken one at a time, are called distributive adjectives. I repeat, each, every, either, neither, this type of adjectives called distributive adjectives. Now look at the another examples. This horse is mine. That horse is yours. I like these mangoes. I want those apples. I hate such men. Such she lives on yonder hills. The adjectives this, these, those, such, yonder that point out which persons or thing are meant are called demonstrative adjectives. When we demonstrate something, that is called demonstrative adjectives. Now, see the examples. What color is your hair? Which house is yours? Whose book is this? In these examples, you have seen the words what, which, whose. They are asking something. These all are interrogative words. They are used to ask questions. So these adjectives which are used to ask questions, they are called interrogative adjectives. So in the above sentences, what, which and whose are used with nouns to ask questions. Such adjectives are called interrogative adjectives. So I repeat all the types of adjectives once again. Adjective of quality, where quality of a thing is described. Adjective of quantity, where the amount of the thing is described. Adjectives of number, where number of a subject is described. Adjective, distributive adjectives, then demonstrative adjectives, and at last comes interrogative adjectives. So I hope you all have followed each and every type of adjective.